Hi guys, welcome back to Pause for Orchids. My name is Luisa and of course I love orchids. Today is my 33rd anniversary and when I was asked what I wanted to do today, of course I said, let's go buy some more orchids. We're gonna take a trip down to City Oasis and we're gonna get some rescue files because I have out in my oak trees a couple of projects I need to get done and I need some rescue files for that. So let's go see what they have and what I come home with. As soon as I come home, of course I'm gonna share with you what I got. Let's go check them out. At the suggestion of Vicky and Sergio, here we are, City Oasis Orchids and Bonsai Rare Plants Shop. So pretty. Really interesting right there. I think it's a zygote. I don't do very well with zygotes, but they're pretty. I think I found something that's coming home with me. Look at this dendrobium. OMG. That is so pretty. That combination of colors. Yep, this one's coming home with me. I think I'm gonna get that for mom. I like that. That malanga is super pretty. Well, we call it malanga in Cubanese.
Is this the way those?
You guys are Cuban.
I think so, yeah. Oh, really? Whereabouts from Cuba is he?
Well, he grew up in the US. Like his family's from Cuba.
That is neat. It looks like an octopus almost. A floating octopus. I think it is. I think those are air plants. Anything interesting over there, honey? You're looking for the weird stuff. Remember, if it's weird stuff, we need full sun. Weird stuff.
Got a question for you.
Catfish is the name of our dog. One of our big pups that.
And he's brown.
He's so big and poshy that it's kind of crazy.
This one's completely pink.
Yeah, that one's really
That's really cute. I like that. If Sergio and Vicky have the whole shebang going on, they really do have a good setup.
And the lights were so bright, I was like, oh my god.
I had to do something for corporate,
Yeah.
and
When I retire, I plan to be all professional like Vicky and Sergio.
Yeah.
when
I love that flower. That is so
all I
pretty.
saw was
All right, let's go find some of those phals for my project on my oak trees. Oh, look at how pretty. All right, let's go see what they've got back here. So I came today specifically for the bloomed out phals for a project that I'm working on my oaks. So we're gonna check those out in a minute. But look at all this foliage, how pretty. And it's a sea of phals. My hubby really liked that bonsai. So these are the phals, the bloomed out ones that they have for $5. And since they're going on my oak trees, the colors don't really matter too much. They're in decent shape, and I know that I can get them to rebloom next season. Some of this stuff is so pretty. Oh, look at that. I don't know what that is, but that's really pretty. Really, really pretty. We got some more bloomed out sections here. They've got dendrobiums, oncidiums, vandas, all kinds of stuff all put together. Cattleyas. Like Sergio and Vicky said, when they bloom out, they put them on sale. I like sales. This was my husband's favorite section, the bonsai section. City Oasis, you guys. They've got all kinds of pretty stuff. Okay, so here we have it. This is what I got. I got my 4 phals for that project back in the backyard on the oak trees. These are very large Phalaenopsis, originally priced at $25, and I got them for $5 a piece, which is great for a project on my oak trees. Then I got this beautiful dendrobium. Let me show you because it does still have some flowers. This one was not on sale, but these flowers just, they tugged at my heartstrings and they had to come home with me. And then I've got an encyclia, not sure which because this one didn't have any flowers, and it was also on the sale rack, so I got it at a really good deal. Can't remember how much that one was, but it was at a really good deal. So this is what I got. One of the phals, even though it is kind of going out. Not this one, but this one. Does still have a few flowers on it. Some really pretty white flowers. So when this reblooms, it's going to be gorgeous. And that is what I got at City Oasis. So stay tuned, because when I do the oak tree project, I will be taking you along. You'll see how I put them up on that oak tree, and hopefully as time passes I will give you updates and see how that project is going. And then when I repot the dendrobium and the encyclia, I will take you along for that as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching locally at City Oasis. Visit them and subscribe to Pause for Orchids. See you next time.